Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do my best of Olens for 2021. I have done a HAPAKRISTIN version 1, so if you guys want to check that out, feel free to. But this one will be on Olens, and these are some of the favorites that I absolutely love this year. So let's get started. So this is not in any particular order, but the first one is this glowy highlighter, which was released probably a few months ago. Now this one comes in 3 different colors: brown, black, and ash gray. In terms of the duration, this one actually comes in 2 different types. You can get the 1 month one for $29, or you can get the 1-day contact lenses in 10 lenses, which means that it lasts for 5 days, so 5 pairs, 5 usage for $21, or 20 lenses, which is 10 pairs for $34. So you actually have 3 options. I personally prefer 1-day lenses, and I do have both the monthly and the daily ones with me as well. In terms of the diameter, the overall diameter is actually 14.2, which I'm going to state is like general for all of the Olens contact lens. So all of the contact lens I'm going to feature today, the overall diameter is 14.2, but what really matters is the graphic diameter, which means that it's the diameter that you actually see on your eyes and how it appears. So for this one is 13.1, which is actually an average diameter, not too big or not too small. My particular favorite color is this brown one, because I have to say that in terms of the design, it's very unique. It has that crescent moon at the bottom, which reminds me a lot of the Secretive Christine. So if you guys want to see all this comparison and stuff, I've done a separate glowy highlighter contact lens review, which I'll put it up here and also in my description box, because there I've done all the comparisons that you guys are wanting to know. But this is solely about the design, the color, and why I like it. So back to it, is that this color, I love that it has like 3 different tone of brown shade. You get like medium brown, dark brown, and light brown as well. So focusing on the outer rim is like a dark chocolate brown, which is beautiful, and I like that they are not using like a black one. Then going in on the top half of the contact lens is like a toned down brown than the outline. And then what really attracts me the most is the bottom crescent moon part. The bottom crescent moon part is like a golden brown, and I love that all 3 of this just blend really nicely, and it just gives me a really nice puppy eye natural look. But also the way I describe this is like, it's like a sun beaming eye look. So when the sun beams onto your eye, it makes your eyes look very golden brown and natural. This is how it looks like, and I absolutely love the design of this. Second one is Scandi collection, and Scandi has been out for probably a while now, and I've done like a full Scandi versus Spanish or Scandi collection itself, but again I'll put it down in the description box below. Now with this Scandi line, they are slowly expanding the colors, but the colors that they have currently are aqua, light gray, gray, hazel, and olive. And again, with the duration, this one's a little bit complicated. So the colors that I've mentioned before, they all have the 1 month, which is $29. And for the 10 pairs, so 10 pieces, which is 5 pairs, they only have the olive one, which is $21 for the daily one. And then for the 20 pieces, which is 10 pairs, means like 10 users, they only have the gray and hazel, and that's for $34. I'm not sure why they're doing that separately, but I just thought I'll just lay it out there. And my absolute favorite is actually the Scandi olive in the 1-day one, but also like 1 month, but I usually prefer the 1 day. And the diameter for this, the graphic, is actually 11.9, which is the smallest diameter amongst all of the ones that I've featured. This one is very similar to the Spanish, but I'm not going to go into much details of that because I've done a separate video on this. But I absolutely love the turnout of the Scandi olive on my eyes, because it really gives me like a very natural green on my eyes, as if I was born with green eyes. And I absolutely love green contact lens. If I have to pick one color for the rest of my life, it would be green. That's how much I love my green color contact lens. And I don't like those that is like too light or too dark. I like that it's like medium but also very natural. So when putting this on my eyes, I see a combination of like brown and green. So it's like a hazel and green, which means that when both of this combine together, it just looks so natural on my dark eyes, which is absolutely beautiful. If you are the type that don't like too obvious of a green and you don't like too light, you want something very natural but nothing enlarging, I would definitely recommend this Scandi Olive, because honestly, no one can tell you wear contact lens if you ever wear this green contact lens. Like, I swear, like, this is so beautiful. Third one is the Russian Smoky line, and this one have 3 different colors: gray, brown, and olive. This one only comes in 1-day contact lenses, which honestly I'm not complaining, but the 1-day contact lenses only come in 10 pieces, which means 5 pairs, and they cost $21 USD. Now, the way they have promoted this is that this Russian Smoky line is like a larger version of the Russian Velvet line. So if you guys like the Russian Velvet line but you feel like the diameter is a bit too small, this Russian Smoky one will be perfect for you. In terms of the graphic diameter of this is 13.3, which is actually not that much bigger, to be honest. Like, you know, the Glowy is already 13.1, this is 13.3, but it's actually not that big, and I feel like this is a decent size for me. My favorite color is actually the brown, and I've stated in my separate video for the Russian Smoky line is that this brown is so different from the Russian Velvet Gold, because this brown is so unique in a way that is actually like a cool tone brown, which I find very unique, because you see a little bit of that gray undertone but also that beigey, peachy, pinky brown shade. So when actually putting on my eyes, I don't see like straight gold or straight brown. I see like a very cool tone brown, if that makes sense. And putting this on my really dark eyes, it really emphasize how beautiful this contact lens is. Like, I was shocked that it actually shows the true color of this contact lens, because sometimes when I put on like lighter contact lens, the contact lens does darken up based on my dark eye, obviously, but this one, it really shows the natural eye color, which is like the cool tone brown, which I absolutely love. And I love the nice overall blur on this contact lens, and it really gives you that smoky vibe, and hence why it's called Russian Smoky, because putting this on and putting on like a smoky eye look is absolutely gorgeous. The fourth one is this French Gold 3-con contact lenses, and it features 3 colors: olive, gray, and hazel. Again, this one only comes in 1-day contact lenses in 10 pieces, so they cost $21 USD. In terms of the diameter, this one is 13.1 millimeter. My favorite color is actually the olive one, so another olive shade and my favorite. And I just love that this is a warmer green color, so it's very different from the Scandi olive that I mentioned. This one is much more warmer, and you see more of that olive green, and also like a combination of like green and gray as well, because the outline for this has a bit of like that gray tone, and then going in you see that green and golden spikes, and I just feel like this trio is actually really nice on the eyes. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, the combo is very different. It's definitely not as natural as the Scandi olive, but this one, I just love that it just gives me a pop of green on my eyes when I do want something more obvious. And I have been loving using this when I travel, because I just love that look that it gave me on my eyes, you know. And again, because it's 1 day, it's so easy to carry around as well. Absolutely love this particular shade. Last but not least, I'm sure if you guys are a long time follower, you guys would know that I have to feature this, and this is the Vivi Ring collection. Now, this Vivi Ring line has been out for a long time, but yeah, I just have to feature it still. And they have a whole bunch of colors as well, and they are gray, brown, cocoa, pink, and beige. And I believe this year the latest addition is the beige one, which is absolutely beautiful, so I've already done like a separate review on that as well. Now, all of these ones, the colors I've mentioned, do come in 1 month, but also for the 1 day 10 pieces, they have the brown and cocoa, which is $21. Same with the brown cocoa, they have the 20 pieces, which is $34. I actually wish that they have like 1 day lenses for all of the colors, but brown and cocoa are probably their most popular one at the moment, hence why they only have the 1 day ones. Now in terms of the graphic diameter, this is actually 13.0, which is actually smaller compared to the French Gold or the Russian Smoky or the Glowy line, but I absolutely love the enlargement of this. And the reason why it looks bigger than it's supposed to but actually natural at the same time is because it has that border, the outline, that actually emphasize the enlargement. And I'm not complaining because that's why I love it. I love the outline because it's not bold, it's very like pixelated, which means that it actually blur out on the when you do put it on your eyes, and then going in you have that golden brown. So putting it on together, it really gives me such a beautiful dolly natural looking finish, you know, and I still can't find a replacement of this. Like maybe there's one with the, you know, HAPAKRISTIN line, but in terms of this, like nothing, no other brown contact lens can beat this, and it has been my holy grail ever since I got this. Like you guys don't know the amount of one-day contact lenses I've stocked up on this, because this is the contact lens that I will always go for. Every time I need something to put on without thinking, I just grab it because it just gives me such a beautiful look. It's so natural looking and the turnout is always top notch, which I absolutely love. Hence why I want to end this with a giveaway. So Olens was really nice enough to say that I can choose 3 winners in my giveaway, and for the giveaway I'm going to give away 2 packs of the Vivi Ring monthly contact lens. So if I choose you as the winner, you can actually choose which color you would like to try from the Vivi Ring collection. However, if you have 2 different eye powers like me, you only get like, you know, the same color of the contact lens, if that makes sense. But if you have same eye power, you can probably choose 2 different eye color, if that makes sense. Now the rules are really simple, but I probably need you guys to like follow it properly, because if not, your comment won't go through. What I did last time with the giveaway was, the last giveaway I did say comment your Instagram down below. Don't do that anymore, because I've noticed that YouTube has actually removed all the comments every time you guys do say that this is my Instagram. So what I'm going to do is, even though this giveaway is on YouTube, I want you guys to actually go to my channel and comment on my Instagram. So the rules are very simple. Number 1 is follow my channel and like this video. Number 2 is actually follow Olens Instagram. So I'll put like the Instagram usernames here. There's 2 different ones, and also follow my Instagram. But I'll also put the username in my description box below as well. Then you have to go to my Instagram and find this picture right here, this post, and actually comment in that post which Vivi Ring contact lens color you would like to try from the monthly collection. So that's where you're gonna comment, okay? Don't comment here. You can comment here to say have joined giveaway, that's fine, but the actual way I'm gonna pick the winner will be in this Instagram post. So yeah, I don't want to lose it, so I'll put it there. And in terms of the deadline, I'll probably leave this for maybe 3 weeks, so I'll put the deadline down here below as well. But yeah, good luck to you guys. One other thing I have to mention also, that this giveaway unfortunately is not available if you're living in Russia, USA, China, India, Taiwan and Hong Kong. I'm not sure about why, but I heard that there's some kind of restrictions, so I'm really sorry that if you guys are living there, but hopefully I'll be able to do another giveaway that feature you guys as well. But temporarily, these are the countries that Olens can ship the contact lens to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know some of your Olens favorites for the year as well, because I would love to know. And I can already see that Olens are already releasing so many other new contact lenses this year, so I'm really excited to try the other collection as well. Let me know if there's any other collection that you're curious about, and I'll definitely do a review on it. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.